So, you finally downloaded OKX. You don't even know what OKX really stands for, but you heard folks on TikTok saying withdrawals are fast, and someone on YouTube mentioned something about staking and passive income. You're not trying to be Warren Buffett. You're just here to turn your little into something, maybe enough to upgrade your phone, or pay rent without sweating, or maybe, just maybe, to flex in the group chat for once. But here's the real tea. The crypto streets don't come with a GPS, no road signs, no "you are here" stickers. And that's where the bots slide in. Smooth, quiet, like ninjas of the blockchain. AI bots, the homies you never knew you needed forget. Influencers yelling, "Buy now," with rocket emojis. These AI bots, they do the homework while you're busy binge-watching Netflix. You've got Luna Crush, the social detective. This bot isn't watching cat videos. It's monitoring Reddit, X, formerly Twitter, Discord. If a coin starts getting attention, Luna Crush is already whispering, "Psst, this one's heating up." Then there's crypto panic. This one reads more news than your uncle who still buys the newspaper. Regulation updates, listings, exchange hacks. It throws it all in your face like, "Here, read this, decide your fate." CoinMarketCap's trending tab. Bro, it's like the Spotify Top 50, but for degens. If a coin is getting searched like crazy, it's there. Whether it's a legit project or a meme made in someone's basement at 2 a.m., if it's buzzing, you'll know. And, oh, DEX tools. Let's not play. This one? It's like the back alley crypto club. You want to know what coin just launched 5 minutes ago? You want to track the token with 10 holders and dreams bigger than its market cap? DEX Tools is the plug. Withdrawing from OKX, turning vibes into fiat. So you've scored a little win. Maybe you bought low, sold high. Maybe the AI bots helped you catch a trend before it popped. You're feeling like a genius. Now, you're staring at your OKX wallet like, okay, where the heck's the cash out button? Let's paint the picture. You open the OKX app. You scroll through like a spy in a crypto movie. You find assets, you see withdraw. Click it like you own the blockchain. But now, decisions must be made. On-chain or internal. TRC20 or ERC20. USDT or BTT or some token that sounds like a Marvel villain. You pause. You squint. You call your friend who pretends to know everything. He says, "Use TRC20, bro. Cheap gas fees. Fast." You nod like you already knew that. Then comes the part where you paste your external wallet address. This is not the time for typos. No fat fingers. No guesswork. Because one wrong letter and your crypto takes a one-way flight to oblivion. You confirm. You pass the CAPTCHA that asks you to prove you're human by solving a 1980s puzzle. And just like that, it's out. Your crypto is flying across the blockchain like a digital pigeon. Freedom. The art of being a rookie with swagger. You don't have 10 monitors. You're not running trading bots from a hidden bunker. You're just out here with your phone, a dream, and enough hustle to click refresh every 5 minutes. But now, you've got something better. Bots that guide you. A wallet that moves like lightning. And knowledge that most people still think is witchcraft. Trading isn't about being perfect. It's about being alert, being curious, asking the right bots the right questions. Because when you combine street smarts with AI, even a beginner can dodge the FOMO, skip the scams, and walk away with a win. One last word from the crypto streets. If you're reading this and you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most. While some are still wondering if Bitcoin is a scam, you're out here using free AI bots to track trends, making moves on OKX like a silent whale, and slowly building a bag that speaks louder than noise. So keep playing smart. Stay sharp. Let the bots watch the charts, while you focus on the big picture. Because crypto isn't just money, it's a new kind of hustle. Every small step you take can shape something extraordinary in your life. If you found value here, don't forget to share this with someone who might need it. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe so we can continue this journey together. Until next time, stay hopeful, stay inspired, and keep pushing forward. See you in the next video.